Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Next, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes removal simple. Finally, ensure all your cooking tools, like a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer, are clean and ready for use. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's cook the toffee base. Combine your butter, sugar, and salt in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent burning. Keep a close eye on your candy thermometer. You want the mixture to reach precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. As it cooks, you will notice it transforming into a beautiful, rich amber color, indicating it is perfectly caramelized and ready for the next step. Once your toffee reaches the correct temperature and color, carefully pour the hot mixture onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. Work quickly to spread the toffee evenly across the sheet, aiming for a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch. This ensures uniform cooling and texture. Now, the most challenging part: patience. Allow the toffee to cool completely at room temperature for at least 60 minutes, or until it is firm. With the toffee completely cooled and firm, it is time for the finishing touches. Gently break the large sheet into smaller, bite-sized pieces. You can use your hands or a small hammer for this. For an extra treat, melt 1 cup of your favorite chocolate and spread it thinly over the cooled toffee before breaking. Finally, store your delicious homemade toffee in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.